guys, welcome back to another episode of Cardboard Craft. I'm Ua, and today we're going to be making Newt Scamander's Wand from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, as well as the new Crimes of Grindelwald movie. So, let's get started. I want the wand to be scale, so I picked up a length of 1/2-inch dowel rod from Hobby Lobby. Next I marked it to be 14 inches, and also drew on the angle at the end of the wand. The length of the angle was mostly eyeballed. Then I took it out to my belt sander to sand it down into the sort of angular shape of the wand. I did this before I cut off the dowel so that I would have plenty of leverage. After I did that, I used a Japanese pull saw to cut it off. Now you could use something like a bandsaw or any other type of saw, but this is just the saw that I have and that works for me. Next I marked the slight raised details on the wand so that I can carve/sand them in. If you're going for something screen accurate, I would recommend looking at pictures online to make sure you get it as accurate as you can get it. And that is exactly what I did. I used a sanding bit in my Dremel to sand down certain areas to make the wood look sort of like it was wrapped around the base of the wand. I was very happy with the results I got from this method. I wasn't able to get the footage, but I drilled the hole in the bottom using progressively larger drill bits, and as you can see now, I carved in extra details with my Dremel. I also used the Dremel to round out the inside and to make it more uniform. Once again, I was pleasantly surprised by the results. Now it's time for paint. For the top of the wand, I mixed together some tan paint with some water to create a wad, and painted it on heavily and wiped it off with a paper towel. Then I used some dark stain that I just so happened to have and stained the end of the handle. This is done simply by dipping a rag into the stain and rubbing it on the handle. For the middle section of the wand, I took some blue and silver paint and mixed them together and got the most amazing color. I was very happy with the way it came out. Then I took some silver paint and painted the bottom hole. It would help not to get any stain on the inside or just sand before you paint so that the paint sticks. And because I need everything to be perfect, I added some brown touch-up paint at the end. Then I hit the whole thing with a quick clear coat so the paint would stick and called it a day. I am very happy with how this turned out and will proudly display it somewhere. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Cardboard Craft. If you have any suggestions for what I should make next, be sure to leave those down in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video.